Good morning, guys. I'm just wanted to close up this video here, so I'm just gonna do a little talking up there. Cute, yeah, this face, this filter. Anyways, we tried to follow TikTok recipes of the spam musubi, but when we folded it, it didn't come as nice as we seen it on TikTok, but maybe we need to try again later. But this is what we did so far. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's called like a spam musubi with nori or seaweed, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys take care, God bless, and we'll see you in the next video. Hello guys, it's Christy and Keanu. We're gonna do some spam musubi. It's a different way. We're gonna fold the nori, but we're gonna start off with spam. There it is. And then we're gonna be using some soy sauce. Aloha, of course, Hawaii. Number one. Nah. Okay. Then we'll be using this nori here, the big one.
Well, I want to make a TikTok, so can you just film some for me?
Yeah.
That's good. No shaky, yeah.
There's Novia. Hi, Novia. Come on, Novia. Get away. We're doing some inside the air fryer. I've never done it in there before. And then we are cooking our rice. We're going to put rice in there as well. From the air fryer. It came out looking good. And then we got some Portuguese sausage as well. Portuguese sausage that we will be using. If you guys haven't tried Portuguese sausage, it's delicious. Not too sure, maybe they might have it at Costco's. Wherever you are, you guys should try it. Made in Hawaii. I thought I just rinse that. I'm gonna just mix some shoyu with the brown sugar to make kind of like a teriyaki flavor spam.
Ooh.
Yes. And this right here is furikake. You can probably find it in your Oriental stores. It usually comes in like a jar, glass jar. But it's just, this is just like seaweed and sesame seeds in one. Okay, and then Kiana's gonna go ahead and mix that inside the rice. The battery's low. Because I was doing a video. There you go.
That wasn't enough.
It's the whole thing. Furikake and rice, it's so good, and just fry some spam. Yummy. We got some egg going on here. There is Mr. Keanu Lani. Now that's not his name, but it's only Keanu. He's gonna show us. Then we got the Portuguese sausage going on. We got the egg there.
Going on.
Going on there. We got some Japanese mayo. Okay. And he's gonna go ahead and fold it. One more time. And one more time.
It'll come out as it looks on the screen.
Yeah. No,
It's
cut
okay.
it in half. No? Okay, and he's just gonna bite it up. There you go. Just gonna like cut this. Now the camera did the cutting too. I'm gonna cut it like that. There. If you guys know what daikon is, I wish I had that. I would put that in here. And then I got okay. I'm gonna put it like that. You want egg? Okay, I'm gonna put egg. So we're just gonna put 3 in there. Okay. So I'm gonna fold this. Fold that. And then fold it like that. And it becomes a sandwich. And there we go. That's it.